To make MetaMask full screen, you need to access the browser extension settings. First, open your web browser and click on the MetaMask icon in the top right corner. This will open the MetaMask pop-up window. In the pop-up window, click on the three dots in the top right corner. This will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select the Expand View option. This will make the MetaMask interface larger, but it may not be full screen. To make MetaMask truly full screen, you need to access the MetaMask settings. To do this, click on the profile picture or the three lines icon in the top right corner of the pop-up window. Then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Appearance section. In this section, you will see an option to switch between a compact view and an expanded view. Select the Expanded View option to make the MetaMask interface larger. If you want to make the MetaMask interface full screen, you can also use the zoom in and out functions in your browser. To do this, press the Ctrl and plus sign keys on your keyboard to zoom in, or the Ctrl and minus sign keys to zoom out. It is also important to note that making MetaMask full screen may not be necessary, as the compact view provides all the necessary functions and features. However, if you prefer a larger interface, you can use the methods described above to make MetaMask full screen. It is also worth noting that MetaMask can be used in conjunction with other cryptocurrency wallets and browser extensions, so you may need to adjust the size and layout of your browser to accommodate these tools. By following these steps, you can easily make MetaMask full screen and customize the interface to suit your needs.